Welcome back to Motorize. We are today in the presence of something that is very exciting in an all-new 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 6N. And it is not a standard electric sedan. It is Hyundai high performance and division that makes the smooth Ioniq 6 look like an electric monster. Crazy acceleration to violent looking style and attack infested interiors. We will deconstruct it all. Before starting the video, subscribe to the channel because your one subscribe helps us to grow. Let's start the video. We may begin with the very core of this machine, or rather motors. Ioniq 6N will have a dual motor all-wheel drive systems with a power output of approximately 600 horsepower and a temporary boost option that increases the power of approximately 650 horsepower. 0 to 60 miles per hour around 3 seconds or less. That's supercar territory. It rides on the sophisticated 84 kWh battery pack used in Hyundai, with an approximate range of 450 to 500 km, depending on the driving habits. And with its 800-volt architecture, it charges between 10 to 80% in approximately 18 minutes. Next, we should discuss appearance. Since this vehicle is screaming performance, the Ioniq 6N receives a significantly bolder body kit, such as a new front bumper, bigger air intakes, and a sporty splitter. There are broader fenders and performance wheels on the sides, and massive dual-layer spoiler and bolder diffuser on the rear. This AV will be distinguished by signature and badging, sporty accents, and exclusive colors to ensure that this is not a standard Ioniq 6. Enter inside and it is all about performance meets technology. You have driver-oriented cabin which is sport seats, equipped with N-branded steering wheel and quality materials all through. The dashboard will incorporate two screens, 12.3-inch digital cluster and 12.3-inch infotainment screen, with EV performance information, track mode and custom drive settings. Hyundai will also add an eShift and an Active Sound Plus that imitate changes in gears and engine noises to provide a more driving experience. On top of that, there are all the most recent safety technology with Hyundai Smart Sense, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and collision avoidance. Now let's talk numbers. The 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 6N will range in price between approximately a starting price of 65,000 to 70,000 US dollars, depending on the market and the features. About the release date, it will probably be launched at the end of 2025. And the global deliveries will begin in early 2026. Therefore, Hyundai Ioniq 6 and 2026 is becoming one of the most interesting performance EVs in the market, with speed, style and innovative technology. However, the question is, would you have this or a Tesla Model 3 performance or a BMW i4 M50? Let us know in the comments. And don't go without liking, subscribing to Motorize and clicking the bell button to see more car contents that are high performance. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.